Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you love tech and useful tips, hit subscribe. Let's jump in.
Fixing an EVAP system can range dramatically in cost, from a very minor expense to a significant repair, largely depending on what component has failed and the complexity of accessing it. The Evaporative Emission Control System, or EVAP system, is crucial for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, thereby reducing air pollution. When your check engine light illuminates with an EVAP-related code, it usually indicates a leak or a component malfunction within this intricate system. The first step, and often the most critical, is accurate diagnosis. Diagnostic services typically involve using an OBD-II scanner to pull specific trouble codes, followed by a smoke test. A smoke test introduces a non-toxic smoke into the EVAP system, making leaks visible as the smoke escapes from cracks or loose connections. This diagnostic process alone can cost anywhere from $80 to $200, depending on the shop's labor rates and the time involved. Once the fault is identified, the repair costs vary widely. The cheapest fix, and surprisingly common, is a faulty gas cap. A loose, cracked, or missing gas cap can trigger an EVAP code, and replacing it might only cost $15 to $50 for the part itself. Moving up in complexity, issues with vacuum lines or rubber hoses are also frequent culprits. These can degrade over time, leading to leaks. Replacing a few feet of hose might cost $50 to $150 in parts and labor. A more significant component failure could involve the purge valve or the vent valve. The purge valve, located near the engine, controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine. A new purge valve typically costs between $70 and $200 for the part, with labor ranging from $50 to $150, making the total repair $120 to $350. The vent valve, often found near the charcoal canister, opens and closes to allow fresh air into the system. Its replacement cost is similar to the purge valve, usually $100 to $300 for parts and labor combined. The charcoal canister itself, which stores fuel vapors, can also fail, especially if the fuel tank is overfilled repeatedly, allowing liquid fuel to enter and contaminate it. Replacing a charcoal canister is a more involved job, with parts costing from $150 to $400 and labor potentially adding another $100 to $300, bringing the total to $250 to $700. In more severe cases, issues like a failing fuel tank pressure sensor, part $50 to $150, labor $50 to $200, total $100 to $350, or even a leak in the fuel tank itself can occur. A leaking fuel tank is by far the most expensive EVAP repair, potentially costing $500 to over $1,500 due to the high cost of the tank and the extensive labor required to drop and replace it. Factors influencing these prices include the specific make and model of your vehicle, as luxury or specialty cars often have more expensive parts and specialized labor requirements. Geographic location also plays a role, with labor rates varying significantly from one region to another. While some minor fixes like a gas cap replacement can be a DIY job, most EVAP system repairs are best left to certified mechanics due to the need for specialized diagnostic tools and knowledge. Ignoring an EVAP system issue isn't just about an annoying check engine light. It can lead to failed emissions tests, reduced fuel efficiency, and potentially more significant problems down the line. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.